This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm in Arlington, Virginia, and we just finished up a major project where we rebuilt all the exterior hardscaping, front porches, back porches, and a bunch of doors. And this was a very extensive job for us, and we've been working out here since the spring. Landscapers just came through yesterday and did all the mulching and everything, so I wanted to shoot by today and do a quick video. Now this video is going to be long. I'm going to go through every step of the project that we did, but I will try to do a few extra videos that are shorter that break down the different components. Now first, starting out front, you see this really nice paver driveway, Techo-Bloc with a premium border, flagstone border, natural stone border, and this does have a concrete base, so you're not going to have to worry about any of the settling that people see when you do an aggregate base, especially with the heavy car traffic. Over here, structural edge on the elevated driveway. There's a footer system that goes down there that includes the basketball hoop. We did isolate that basketball hoop from the other footings and then connected with rebar so you wouldn't have issues. You got the small one there and the big one there. Has a really cool install. Over here we had a front porch that we basically rebuilt everything but the roof. So the structural roofing stayed in place and the exterior trim, but we came in, demoed out the ceiling, put in the structural post, and this was a wood deck here that we completely rebuilt with a concrete footing, engineered plans, everything done to spec. Same concrete base, paver walkway here. See the nice with the natural stone, and the pavers integrates the look to the natural stone and the natural flagstone here on the porch. Really looks good together. Sometimes when you do too many materials, it gets busy, but in this case, it really looks nice with the separation here between the all natural stone over on the porch and the pavers out on the driveway and the walkway. Place close attention to the beautiful mahogany ceiling, lighting, low voltage lighting throughout the entire hardscaping. Even on this outside edge there is lighting that lights up at night. Looks great coming down the road. We did a stepping stone project around the entire property. I think it was about 130 linear feet. Over here it's set flush with the grass. These all have a base underneath them. They were excavated and stone dust and a little mortar was put in place. Let's walk around to the rear. Over here, this nice elevated edge. This is as far as we could go with property lines and everything, but it still gives you enough room to put the cans and sneak past and give you a nice step system here. Now, we didn't touch anything through here. We just reset some of the stones for the homeowner and just utilize the materials over here. Coming to the rear, this is where our project starts up again. We did the same theory with the stepping stones, but one thing you'll notice is they're flush with the mulch. A lot of companies put the stones in first, don't really plan accordingly. Well, we built these up about 4 inches so you have a solid mulch bed around. We did the same compact stone dust, and we actually put mortar around them to strengthen that base so it's not going to come apart. We did this beautiful stack stone wall here, all natural look. I'm going to step into the yard, take a look at that. We built the last step directly into the wall. And then a really nice natural stack stone here, which built up this grade and allowed us to do the walkway next to our beautiful screen room that we built. I'm going to walk over here and just show you the other side, and then we'll get into the screen room. Another little planter wall, and then the stepping stones going back. One thing I want to talk about is the spacing on these. Trying to plan it that you land about 3 feet between the middle of each stone is going to be good walking distance for an adult. So as you step, you go straight to the middle of each stone naturally. And it walks quite nicely. Go into the screen room. We did this really cool enclosed area underneath. It was a nice cost-effective way to do this, to dress it up, but also give you some really good storage. Built the door right there, and then when you look at it from the back, God, does it look good. Those alternating pieces of wood, different sizes, that's going to sit till springtime, and then we're either going to paint it or stain it. Haven't decided yet. Now walking up into the deck and screen room area, have lighting on the post, and you come to this beautiful deck. Now we wanted to have enough room for maybe a grill and a smoker here and some seating area, so it's a big enough deck to accommodate that without taking up a ton of room. We always put nice Anderson screen doors on the rooms. They just hold up a lot better than some of the cheaper stuff. Now coming in here, this is where it turned special. They had a single door here in the middle, well, 2 doors, French door, 2 windows on each side. Luckily, the structural header was already put in place, so we did some demo work to verify that. and then this door was able to be installed. This is a very premium Marvin door. It opens up from here, accordion style, all the way over, and then this panel there, and this entire opening opens up. That way, when you're having a get-together, weather's nice, you can just open the whole thing. This is screened in, don't have to worry about bugs, and you got that open air environment. Looking at the wall, same stone that we did out front. We carried in here around the perimeter. Just gives it such a nice look. Back this way, we put in a false wall. We went back and forth on doing fireplace here, a couple different things, but we elected in the end to do the stone wall to accent the TV, and that just really changes the dynamic of the whole room. Just an awesome upgrade to have the TV there in the middle with the stone accenting. Same mahogany wood that you saw on the front porch to match, same trim styles, everything matches, looks like it was built together. We wired in a Sonos system here with 4 speakers. The amp and all the controls go inside. There is electric heaters here. They're not gas, they're electric, but I'm telling you, those things put off a lot of heat. Fan, lighting, and such. So this is a beautiful job for us. We did front to back. I forgot the Provia door in the front. I'll catch that on the next video. We also did that door, but this is what we can do. Any type of hardscaping, carpentry work, top of the line, as good as it gets. Give us a call. We'll help you on your project.